pupils. My name is Mrs. Edurumba Ogechi. You can simply call me Mrs. Ogechi. I will be your online class teacher for primary 6. And today we are going to be starting with mathematics. Yes. And the topic we are going to be dealing on is volume of prisms and sphere. Volume of prisms and sphere. Yes, remember is for primary 6. Or you can say basic 5. Yes, basic 5. Now the volume of prisms. Well, this place we are going to be discussing the subtopics here, different types of prisms. Finding the volume of prisms. The next one we are also going to look at is also finding the volume of right angle triangular prisms. And then the last one we're also going to look at is the volume of sphere. That is finding the volume of sphere. Now you can ask, what is prism? Prism is a solid with cross section. Now for the first one, we said we will find the different types of prism. I'm going to show you the samples of different types of prisms. We have the different types of prisms. Remember, these prisms can be in a square, triangle, a circular, or circle, as you wish. Now we have different types of prism. One, we have the cube. Here is the cube. Here is the cross section. I said prism is a solid with cross section. Here is the cross section area. Now we have the cuboid. This is the cuboid. Here is the end, the cross section area. That is the cuboid. We also have the cylinder. Different types of prisms. Remember the cylinder. We have the cylinder. You can see the cylinder, so I wouldn't have to draw it on the board. Now we also have the triangular prisms, the right angle triangular prisms. Look at how it looks like. Yes, the triangular prisms. Now for the cross section I told you about, I showed you the end. The end of a cross section is also called the base, and this base comprises of the length and the width. We are going to see that in the formulas. That will lead us to the number 2. We are going to be finding the volume of prisms. All these different types of prisms that I showed you have their own formulas. So we are going to start with this, finding the volume of prisms. That is the subtopic now. Please remember, you have to have your paper and your biro, and you are going to be solving with me. Now the first one we are going to look at is the volume of cube. Volume of a cube. The end of a cube is a square. So the formula to finding the volume of a cube is equals to area of a square area of a square times the height. This area is that length times width that we talked about. The end of a cross section is a base which comprises of length and width. So the area of a square times height. Look at example. So we stop talking. This is mathematics. We solve, not talk. Example. Question: find the volume of a box 10 meter long, 8 meter wide, and 5 meter high, Find the volume of a box 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. Remember I told you the end consists of length and width. Now this is the length, 10 meter long. This is the width, 8 meter wide. And then our height is also given as 5 meter. Using the formula, area of square, or you can say area of cross section. Let me put that one. Area of cross section times height. Very simple. So we have 10 times 8 times 5. Let's do our multiplication. That is why I say be with your counting paper. Which is equal to 10 times 8 is what? 80. 10 times 8 is 80. Let me show you working here. 10 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1, 8. So we have 80. Now you come and multiply 80 times 5. 80 times 5. Let me also show you working. Times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8. That is 5 times 8 is 40. So we have 40 here. Now the answer is 400 centimeter cube. Did I forget to tell you that the unit of volume is centimeter cube? So always remember that. Unit of volume is centimeter cube. So that is our answer for that. I hope you understood this one. Let's take another example. Number 2. Let's take another example of something like this. Find the volume of a cube. Find the volume of a cube. 10. Yeah. Find the volume of a cube 10 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter high. I know you can be able to build this one. Now, solution, remember to always write your formula. We have volume of a cube equals to area of cross section, or you can say area of end, like I said before, times height. So we have our area of cross section, the length times 3 to be 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, which is 10 times 10. Then the height, which is also 10 times 10. Let's calculate. 10 times 10 is 100. Let's work it out. 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 times 10. Let's show our workings. 10 times 10. 0 times 0, you place the 0. 0 times 1, 0. I know you know how to calculate very well.